Let's make a new entry over the Google Sheet and see whether we are receiving an automated ClickUp task or not. So right here I have made this entry having the lead's first name, demo, last name, user, email and the phone number. Now let's move on towards my ClickUp account to see whether we are receiving a task for this lead over there or not. So right here I'm on my ClickUp account where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this task having the same name of the lead for which I have just made a new entry over my Google Sheet. And here you can see this is the description which I have provided, and this description consists of the same details of my lead. So now you can see that as soon as I have made a new entry over my Google Sheet, an automated task is created over my ClickUp for this particular lead. So you can also create this automation by using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that can integrate varieties of applications and automate your entire business task. Like I have created this automation by integrating my two of application, that is Google Sheet and ClickUp. But by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more amazing applications such as Google Forms, WhatsApp and many more of it. And you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. So now this automation is going to be the most important application for saving your time, because now you don't have to do any task manually, and this will help you to automate your entire business task. So let's move on towards the workflow page and create this automation. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you have to select the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. And this discount coupon code is going to provide you the heaviest discount compared to other discount coupon codes. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, where we are going to select our trigger application, means the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I'm going to select Google Sheet. Now let's select the app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now let's click over this connect button. And right here we are getting this webhook URL, which will help us to build the connection between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect so that we can automatically fetch the Google Sheet data. Now as we have copied this webhook URL, let's move on towards my Google Sheet, where I have already made a new test entry, and here the last data column is D. Now for adding the webhook URL, you have to move towards the extension, select add-ons and select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app that is going to be Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And right here you can see that this is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards the extensions, where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup to get this dialog box. And here we have to add the webhook URL, and now we just have to enter the trigger column, means the last data column of our Google Sheet which I have just shown you, that is D. Now we just have to submit this. And here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully, and now we just have to send the test data. And right here we are already having the test data, so I'm going to send this data to my Pabbly Connect. And now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect to check for this data. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 10 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled. Now we just have to create a ClickUp task, but before that you have to perform one more operation over your Google Sheet, That is, you have to go towards extension, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that you can send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect automatically, and you don't have to manually send it. And now here it is enabled successfully. Now let's add our first action application or my action application, that is going to be ClickUp, where we are going to create a task for this particular lead. So here I'm going to search for the application which can be seen over here. Now let's select the app event as create task with custom field. And right here for building the connection, we are on the connection page. Before building a new connection, you have to select this button. And now it is asking me to enter the API token. So for getting this API token, let's move on towards my ClickUp account with me. So right here I'm on my ClickUp account, where you have to select this option of profiles, where you have to select this option of settings. And right here we are on the settings page, where on the sidebar we are getting this option for selecting the ClickUp API, which I have selected. And now we just have to regenerate this API token, so I'm going to select it. Now let me enter my password. And right here I'm getting my API token, which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. So here I have entered it. Now let's just save it, and here the connection has been built in, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the workspace created over your ClickUp account, so you can select it. And right here we have to select the space. So here on my ClickUp account, I have created this space named as lead, which I'm going to select. So here I'm going to select this space, that is leads, and here the folder and the list has been already selected, created over the space. And now it's asking me to enter the task name. So now let's provide the task name. So here I'm going to provide this task name, and after this word new lead, I'm going to enter the name of the lead which I have just received from a Google Sheet. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my lead's name from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and press the slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application, that is Google Sheets. So from its response, I'm going to map the first name of the lead, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. So here I have mapped it, and now here I'm going to provide the description of the task. So this is the description which I'm going to add to my this particular task, and here I'm going to map my lead details such as the first name, and here I'm going to provide the last name too, and likewise I'm going to map the rest of the details as well. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single entry made over your Google Sheet. And now we are getting all these fields, and for this field, that is yes, due date time, which I'm going to keep it as no, and for the start date time I'm going to keep it as no again. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here the positive response has been received. So now let's move on towards the space which I have created and check out for this lead. And right here I'm successfully receiving my new lead having the name test user, and right here you can check out all its details. So now you have seen that I have successfully created a task for my new lead received over my Google Sheet. And now as soon as I will make a new entry over your Google Sheet, the data will be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect and an automated task will be created. So now you can also create this automation by just using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you the heaviest discount. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.